Are you ready to witness some of the coolest robots on the planet? We're talking about the kind of robots that could outdance you at a wedding, climb stairs like a parkour athlete, and pick up heavy boxes with the ease of a superhero. We're talking about the robots from Boston Dynamics. But hold up, we're not all serious and science here. These robots have also stirred up some major drama with their military partnerships, and we're not talking about Iron Man here. Join us for a wild ride as we explore the cutting-edge technology of Boston Dynamics and the crazy controversy surrounding it. Get ready to laugh, gasp, and maybe even feel a little existential. It's all coming up in our new YouTube video. Don't miss it. Be sure to like and subscribe for the latest in tech projects. Oh, and of course, scandal. Boston Dynamics is a robotic company with a rich history of innovation that spans over 3 decades. Founded in 1992 by Marc Raibert, a former MIT professor, the company started as a spin-off from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, where Raibert had been conducting research on legged robots. In the early days of Boston Dynamics, the company was focused on developing legged robots that could move in a manner similar to animals, and the company gained early recognition in the robotics community for its development of the quadrupedal robot Cheetah. This robot set the world record for the fastest legged robot in 2012 with a top speed of 29.3 miles per hour. Boston Dynamics continued to develop new and innovative robots, including the bipedal robot Atlas, which is capable of performing complex tasks such as opening doors, walking over uneven terrain, and carrying heavy objects. Another notable robot is Handle, a wheeled robot that can travel at high speed, jump, and perform aerial acrobatics. In 2013, Google acquired Boston Dynamics as part of its initiative to develop advanced robotics technology. Google's acquisition was part of a broader effort to create a robotics division called Google Robotics, which aimed to develop robots for a variety of applications, including manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare. Under Google's ownership, Boston Dynamics continued to innovate, developing robots with advanced capabilities such as the Spot robot, which can navigate complex environments and perform tasks such as inspecting construction sites, monitoring hazardous areas, and aiding first responders. In 2017, Boston Dynamics was acquired by the Japanese conglomerate SoftBank, which has allowed the company to continue to expand and develop its robotic technology. In 2020, Boston Dynamics released its first commercial product, the Spot robot, which can be used in a variety of applications, from inspection and data collection to remote monitoring and surveillance. In June 2021, Hyundai Motor Group acquired a majority interest in Boston Dynamics and now holds an 80% stake in the company. SoftBank, through one of its affiliates, holds the remaining 20%. Boston Dynamics operates as an independent business within the larger Hyundai portfolio. Throughout its history, Boston Dynamics has been dedicated to advancing the field of robotics and pushing the limits of what robots can do. The company's robots have proven themselves to be capable of performing complex tasks and navigating challenging environments, making them valuable tools in a wide range of industries. In recent years, Boston Dynamics has also faced controversy and criticism for its work with the United States military. In 2019, the company came under fire for its work with the US military's Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, DARPA, on a project called Spot's Next Steps. This project involved the use of Spot robots in military applications, such as reconnaissance and surveillance. Critics of Boston Dynamics argued that the company's involvement in military projects could lead to the development of robots for use in warfare, raising ethical and moral concerns about the use of autonomous weapons. Some even called for a boycott of the company and its products. In response to the controversy, Boston Dynamics announced that it would not participate in any projects that involve the use of its robots as weapons or for harming humans. The company also stated that it would ensure that its robots were used in compliance with international humanitarian law. However, the controversy surrounding Boston Dynamics' work with the military has continued to dog the company. In 2021, it was reported that the company had signed a contract with the South Korean military to develop robots for border patrols, prompting further criticism and calls for greater transparency and accountability from the company. Boston Dynamics is one of the most well-known and innovative robotics companies in the world, but it's not the only player in the game. There are several other companies that are also developing advanced robots, each with its own unique strength and focus. One major competitor of Boston Dynamics is VisionNav Robotics. This is a Chinese robotics company that specializes in developing autonomous mobile robots for logistics and transportation applications. The company's robots are used in a variety of industries, including e-commerce, warehousing, and manufacturing. One of VisionNav's most well-known products is its AGV-Automated Guided Vehicle system, which uses advanced algorithms and sensors to navigate and transport goods within a facility. The company has also developed robots that can perform tasks such as palletizing and sorting, helping to streamline and optimize warehouse operations. However, VisionNav has also been embroiled in a scandal in recent years. In 2020, it was reported that the company's AGV system was being used by a manufacturer in the Xinjiang region of China, where the Chinese government has been accused of human rights abuses against Uyghur Muslims. The report sparked controversy and concern among customers and investors, leading some to call for a boycott of VisionNav's products. The company responded by stating that it had no knowledge of the manufacturer's activity and that it had terminated its partnership with the company. VisionNav also pledged to conduct an internal investigation and implement stricter measures to ensure that its products were not being used for unethical purposes. The scandal highlighted the challenges that companies face when operating in China, where the government's policies and practices can be at odds with international standards and values. While VisionNav's products continue to be used in various industries, the company's reputation has been tarnished by the controversy, and it remains to be seen how it will affect the company's future prospects. The company has some exciting plans for the future, including number 1, expanding its product line. VisionNav is continuing to develop new products and solutions for a variety of industries, including e-commerce, warehousing, and manufacturing. The company plans to expand its product line to include new types of robots and systems that can help its customers streamline their operations and improve their efficiency. Number 2, developing new technologies. In addition to expanding its product line, VisionNav is also working on developing new technologies that can improve the performance and functionality of its robots. This includes developing new algorithms, sensors, and other technologies that can help its robots navigate and interact with their environments more effectively. Number 3, expanding globally. VisionNav is a Chinese company, but it has ambitious plans to expand its operations globally. The company has already established a presence in Southeast Asia and other regions, and it plans to continue expanding its operations in the coming years. Number 4, improving sustainability. VisionNav is committed to sustainability and is working to develop robots and systems that are more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. The company is exploring ways to reduce the carbon footprint of its products and operations, and it is committed to being a responsible and sustainable member of the robotics industry. Boston Dynamics is a company that is constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible with robotics to stay ahead of the competition, and it has some exciting plans of its own for the future. Here are a few examples of what the company is working on. Number 1, expanding the applications of its existing robots. Boston Dynamics is continuing to develop new applications for its existing robots, such as Spot and Atlas. For example, the company is exploring ways to use Spot in the construction industry, where it can navigate rough terrain and carry heavy loads. Boston Dynamics is also working on developing new capabilities for Atlas, such as the ability to operate power tools and perform other complex tasks. Number 2, developing new robots. In addition to expanding the capabilities of its existing robots, Boston Dynamics is also working on developing new robots for specific applications. For example, the company is developing a robot called Stretch, which is designed to move boxes and other items in warehouse settings. Stretch is currently in the prototype stage, and Boston Dynamics is working to refine its design and functionality. Number 3, commercializing its robots. While Boston Dynamics has primarily focused on research and development in the past, the company is now looking to commercialize its robots and make them available to a wider audience. To that end, the company has started offering Spot for sale to businesses and organizations, and it plans to continue expanding its commercial offerings in the coming years. Overall, Boston Dynamics is at the forefront of the robotics industry, and its plans for the future are sure to be exciting and innovative. Whether it's expanding the capabilities of existing robots, developing new robots for specific applications, or commercializing its products, the company is always looking for ways to push the boundaries of what robots can do. Do you think Boston Dynamics will end up the victor of robot wars? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share our channel with your tech-loving friends.